In this video, I'm going to look at Spanish false cognates starting with Q and R. On the left-hand side, we have the English correction, the Spanish, and the right-hand side, we have the English. So let's get going. Quieto, quieto, does not mean quiet, it means still or motionless. Quitar, quitar, does not mean to quit, it means to take away or to leave. Now going on to the Spanish false cognate starting with R. Raro, raro means odd or strange. It doesn't really mean rare. Realizar does not mean to realize, which is darse cuenta de que. Realizar means to carry out or to execute. La receta does not mean receipt, it means a recipe or a prescription. Recordar, recordar means to remember, it does not mean to record. La red, nothing to do with red, which of course is the Spanish word rojo. But la red means a network, or the net, or the internet. El regalo means gift. Remover does not mean to remove, which is sacar. Remover means to stir or to move around. And you can see the word move here and the word move there. Restar does not mean to rest. It means to subtract. To rest is descansarse. Me descanso, I have a rest. Retirado does not mean retired. It means withdraw. Retired is jubilado. Revolver means to return, not to revolve. And last but not least, la ropa does not mean rope, it means clothing. So there you have it, a short video with Spanish false cognates with Q and R. If you liked that video, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel? Hasta pronto, amigos míos.